Hello, everybody. I am so excited to share a new book with you. But first, I want to tell you about my friend Amanda. So I met Amanda through a self-publishing group on Facebook. She sent me a message and wanted to know if I would talk to her about self-publishing. And of course, I talked her ear off for a while. And she told me her goals and what she wanted to do. And I gave her some advice and told her, please, whenever you finish it, let me know and send it to me. So she did. You know, when we talk about what do you want to be when you grow up, we talk about being a doctor and a lawyer and a teacher and a nurse, but we don't usually talk about manufacturing or making the things that doctors and lawyers and teachers and nurses need. So that was kind of their thought process. You know, we want to encourage people to let them know that there's a huge world of manufacturing that is also an option for you, you know, when you grow up. So what's really cool about this book is they're located in Minnesota and they focus all of their efforts in Minnesota. So what I mean by that is they use a printing company in Minnesota. They used an illustrator from Minnesota. They are donating 10% of their profits to 2 different churches in Minnesota, which I think is really cool because you can probably print things cheaper other places, but they didn't because they wanted to support their community. And I think that's really cool. So their book is called Blake Explores Manufacturing. Yay! And I'm so proud of them. Look at the interior. I love that. This is like the cardboard part, and they were able to get pictures on the cardboard part, which I love. Okay, and inside is scripture. So in the story, Blake talks about his dad and his job in manufacturing. And we see that manufacturing plays a role in all of our lives. Somebody built the playground that the kids play at. People built the tools that nurses and doctors use, and machinery that does all kinds of things. Everything that we use starts with manufacturing. Hey kids, what do you want to be when you grow up? Do you want to use the things or make the things? I'm so proud to be able to hold this idea now in my hand. I was very excited to get a little note from Amanda, and now I have my own copy that I'm going to put up on my bookshelf. To get your copy, go to makepublishing.com. Join their mailing list because this is one of many books that are coming. Way to go, you guys. It looks great on my shelf. Take a look at these earrings. Aren't they cute? My jewelry and my shirt is from a company called Noonday. Oh! Did you see that? This shirt is reversible. You can wear it either way. My friend Jenny represents this company called Noonday, and look for a link in the description. You can find these things and more. All the items that are sold by Noonday are created by women, and they're all paid fair wages. Go grab your book, Blake Explores Manufacturing, and get some cute clothes and jewelry too. See you later, everybody.
Learn more at hislittleautomine.com. Personalized storybooks, teacher gifts and resources, Bible verse handwriting books, children's notebooks, journals and sketchbooks, picture books, Christmas clip art, specialized with